what is artificial intelligence and how artificial intelligence can be used along with the blockchain technology. So artificial intelligence, as we call, is the intelligence which is demonstrated by your machines. So we can always see uh, the computer science view of artificial intelligence is there are intelligent agents who are able to perceive the environment and they are able to take the actions based on that. So you have been given a goal to achieve some of those tasks and aspects, and these tasks are completed by intelligent agents and they are called the AI agents. So some of those traditional goals are sometimes called narrow or weak AI, and the kind of examples of narrow or weak AI can be the reasoning systems, the planning systems, the learning system, natural language processing system, image recognition system. So these are few of those examples of narrow AI systems. So artificial general intelligence, as we call AGI, sometimes also called strong AI, helps artificial intelligence to perform all the capabilities which is based on the human side of it. So it helps you to perform full range of human capabilities. So some predict that by year 2050, we should be able to achieve artificial general intelligence, which is the strong AI concept. So obviously we are not sure if we will be able to uh, get the power of consciousness being built in the machines or the AI agents, but then it is predicted by 2050 we should be able to achieve all the capabilities of humans with those kinds and likes of machines. So that's in a nutshell about the artificial intelligence. So now let's try to see how the blockchain with artificial intelligence can work. So when we refer to the weak AI, sometimes also called as a narrow AI, they are used in various use cases. The example of Siri, Alexa, Cortana. So there are few of those examples or the applications where the weak AI is being used. So we can use in these examples the AI-based systems can use the blockchain technology for storing the information so that the data become immutable. So that's how the blockchain technology can be used with the artificial intelligence system. So in the case of the strong AI, obviously sometimes also referred as a general AI, can also be successfully used for any kind of intellectual task which can be performed by humans. So the examples of autonomous driving, or examples of smart cars, the examples of uh, machine learning algorithms. So the smart cars and autonomous driving cars can be built with the help of strong AI, and the platform or the backbone platform storing the data can be based on the blockchain network and platform. So hence blockchain can be working very closely with artificial intelligence to store the data and help you to process and carry out those decision making in an effective manner. So now let's try to see the Internet of Things. So Internet of the Things system basically enables the users to attain the deeper analysis, automation, or the integration in the system. So these systems enhances the reach of the areas in terms of their accuracy. So IoT utilizes the emerging and existing technology for the likes of networking, for the likes of sensing, and for the likes of robotics as well. So IoT uses the recent advancement in the software because of the falling prices of the hardware piece and because of the modern attitudes towards the technology. IoT has become a reasonably affordable task or affordable entity. So the likes of advanced and the new elements basically brings the significant change in the distribution of goods, products and services, and the overall economic, social and political effect of bringing those changes is also impacting the pace of the change. So IoT as one of those digital technology is enabling to bring those change, and how the likes of IoT can be combined with blockchain to bring in the transformation. Let's try to explore that. So the IoT, as we see the key features, the Internet of Things provides basically most essential features, which includes the likes of artificial intelligence, sensors, connectivity, active engagement, and use case of connecting with the small devices. So you can always connect these elements of AI, connectivity, sensors, active engagement in small devices when we are referring to the IoT's key features. So that's how IoT enables us to get engaged via these elements or platforms. So if you're trying to integrate a blockchain with the Internet of Things, certainly that possibility can be done. So IoT refers to all connected devices, as we call it, on the internet, and blockchain and distributed ledger offers a new solution to secure the data from these devices. So IoT devices can certainly be secured through the likes of blockchain technology or distributed ledger. So they can be used to allow smart contract connected devices to buy or sell items autonomously. So you can use the concept of smart contract of blockchain to secure some of those IoT devices. So your blockchain technology does this by creating a secure means of directly authenticating your IoT devices without a need of a certifying authority. So you need not to have any kind of certifying authority needed for carrying out this task. So it is the same model used by your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency to authenticate the users, and it basically allows the users to transfer the values between the different accounts. So you can use the blockchain technology along with the Internet of Things to ensure and exchange the data securely without being dependency on any kind of external authorities to certify it. So this is one of the news which has come across, when the number of devices connected to the internet, including the machines, sensors, and camera that makes up the Internet of Things, continues to grow at a steady pace. And the new forecast of the International Data Corporation (IDC) calls it out, saying that there would be more than 41.6 billion connected IoT devices, and they will be producing almost 80 gigabytes of data space by 2025. So all those things can be processed or secured or stored through the likes of blockchain network or platform. So now let's try to see what are the decentralized marketplace and how the exchange facilitates facilitation can be enabled through the likes of blockchain technology. So as we see, a peer-to-peer platform basically allows buyers and sellers to interact directly without the involvement of a third party. So that's the blockchain network or platform, as we call it out. There's no need for any kind of central control, and data is spread across various devices through a blockchain network. That's how we can say as a part of the blockchain ecosystem. So as a buyer, you don't have to worry about your card details being stolen, or receiving any kind of unexpected monthly charges, because the information can be secured through the blockchain network. And as a seller, you don't need to worry about any kind of fraudulent transaction from the stolen cards or any kind of chargeback from the customer. So that's how you can ensure both the buyers and the sellers can be secured with the likes of blockchain technology network. So there are various decentralized marketplace and exchanges which are facilitated and working along with blockchain technology. So the examples are such as your open bazaar, your modular uh, trade, and there are various other examples such as the fund request. So there are various portals and forums which can be used as a decentralized marketplace, and then they are facilitated by the blockchain technology network in the backend.